This is what I've been looking for the past like 30 minutes, and I just found it hidden in the box. Unboxing.
Yes. So we got this controller for moi. I'm not a pro player.
Let that be known.
Let that be known. And I don't necessarily need this. But all my controllers were not working well. And so we got this. It's, had some mixed reviews. But for the price, it was way better than the other. Okay, I'll get some.
I can help.
But the price was lower than the other ones. Wow, look at that.
All right, so tell us what we're looking at here.
So you're looking at the Nacon Revolution Unlimited V3. There's no manual, but that's why we have YouTube. Okay, now here it is. Let's unzip. See what we got here. The case is smaller than I thought it'd be actually, which is good.
Oh.
Not yet, you can't see it. Sound effects go.
Oh.
Here we go. This, ooh, now the rubber is very nice on the back. Rubber is very nice. You have rubber here, and this is this kind of, what is it called? Matte. And these feel very good.
Wait, there's buttons on the back too?
Oh yes, there's buttons on the back.
Wow.
So there's, these buttons. So right now, these back controllers, they feel all right. They could have a better placement, I think, and they're so close to each other. I feel like I'm gonna have a hard time distinguishing which one. It's very like customizable, which is very cool. So they have these weights that can go on in the handle part and for the stick part. So that's cool. The triggers feel good. And these are like controversial, like the bumpers. So yeah, there's the Nacon Revolution Unlimited. Yeah, pretty cool.
The day has finally come for me to build my PC. Here are my parts. I haven't even unboxed it yet. Basically, as a graduation present, I wanted like a computer, because for those of you who don't know, I'm a developing filmmaker, and so I wanted something that I could edit on that can handle whatever developing skills that I get. So I don't know when I'm gonna post this video or in what order, but now that we're quarantined for coronavirus stuff, or just isolating or whatever, social distancing, kind of have the time now. So this is a great way to spend the time. I'm not really like the most experienced filmmaker, so maybe people who watch these videos can follow me on that journey or something of that sort. I know that putting together a PC isn't like the most advanced, hardest thing ever, but it's something I've never tried before, so I'm excited to challenge myself in that way, and hopefully it goes well. Otherwise this will be humorous but really sad because it's expensive, so hopefully I don't mess it up. I got my iced coffee. Let's get started. I have that Weird Al Yankovic song in my head, Trapped in the Drive-Thru. It's probably super old now. Find a weird box. She's cute. So this is the CPU, I think. Oh, okay, so this is the SSD, I think. It's 1 terabyte, so I know it's something for the memory or storage or something of that sort. So this one doesn't have a box, but I believe this is the video card / graphics card. Just kidding. It says on here, this is the power supply. It's quite bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, this is the graphics card, for sure. It looks like a fan, I feel like. But it's not, I know it's not. I feel so weird making this video because Sam is over there playing video games. But like he can kind of hear me, so it's like... This is the RAM. So I got the Corsair. Also, they also sent me masks. They had like extra, so I was like, that's really nice. So I got the Corsair Vengeance Pro. I really like the rainbow one. And this here is a Wi-Fi card. If I don't end up needing this, then fine, but I'm pretty sure I will. Because I also have been recently playing Apex on Sam's PS4, and hopefully I can play that on here as well. But it's mostly for video editing, business first. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna be very gentle with everything because I am like the most clumsy person. Okay, the manual, very important. Keep this right close to me so I, keep this close to me so I can. This is, what is this? Sticker? I think it's a sticker. Okay, the motherboard. It looks really beautiful. Every time I watch someone install the CPU on YouTube, I get very afraid. I was very confident when I was telling my grandma that I'm doing this, but now that I'm doing it, I'm very afraid. We have to be very careful. We're gonna open this very carefully. I did it. Guys, I did it. This is very exciting, this tiny step. Okay, now we're gonna put the fan on top. We're gonna unscrew this very carefully. Shout out to Grandma Diane for this investment in my future. Where's the directions again? Place clips over retention frame hooks. Wait, was I supposed to keep the frick? I was supposed to keep this on. So we head out the front door and open the garage door. Then we go. I don't want to push too hard on here. I'm just afraid. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, that's not gonna work. I'm glad I put on deodorant for this.
Just to make sure everything's working, cover on both the socket.
Okay, so he didn't do it. So now it says install the memory, which is my Corsair Vengeance RAM. It looks so beautiful. The thing is, our YouTube channel is gonna be so like, I know we're supposed to like find a specific audience or whatever, but I feel like it's just gonna be all over the place because I like video stuff, but I also like art, and he does music, and we love Jesus, so it'll be about a bunch of different things. These go in here, is what I've learned, in these slots here. And it says which ones to use first. All right, she's in. So here is the case. It's quite large, so we're gonna take out this front panel. Okay, it's fine. It's supposed to snap in. Oh, yes, it is. On the side here.
The best way to figure out which stand-off screws you need.
I'll tape these up. I don't know if that's good or not, but I just don't want them to get in the way. Nope, that was, okay, it fell. 6, 7, 8, 9. But I only see 3 tiny ones. Did these come out? Okay, it's happening, you guys. It's freaking happening, babe.
What?
It's happening. It's working.
You messed it up.
No, it's working. Is this for one of them? It can't be. Wait. Wait, what is this? This is just the tiniest screw I've ever seen. And I don't know how I'm gonna get it in there, but why? Just why? I just don't. Okay, so I turned off the camera to charge it for a little bit, but I've just been trying to figure out how to screw this motherboard in because I'm like, where are the screws? You know, like, am I missing something? Then I look And I should have known this because I've seen it in the videos, but there's a box in the case that should have, I can't get it out. This is what I've been looking for. Well, that's good. I found the solution, but it's time for a snack because it's been way too long since I've eaten. Like 2 hours.
Bye-bye.
Bye, have fun killing people.
Well, I'm killing like zombie thingy with monsters and beasts. So.
Good for you.
I'm a good guy.
Civic duty. Please tell me this is correct. Yes! This is magnetic. This is amazing. Right, here is this. I'm scared. Oh! Okay, I realized it was not a good idea to install this yet because I didn't plug in any of the cords. I knew that was gonna happen. You should listen to your heart, you know? It's probably the Holy Spirit. Listen, this is going great. It's easy. You just follow the thing. You follow what the little words say. So this looks like an evil science experiment. Like a bomb or something. It's not though. Are all these cords really necessary? Couldn't you just combine it? I feel like we're at a point in the world with technology that we could do that, but I guess not. Why do I keep switching to a British accent? I don't know. Okay. Now what?
This one and the one right below it.
Uh-huh.
We are now ready to.
I am so good. I need to not get too excited because things like this don't usually happen for me right in the beginning. It usually has to not work first and then I'll get it somehow once I get help from someone else. I should have taken off the sticker before. Freaking, see what I mean? She's kind of thick with all these wires. Guess I'll just pick one.
Make this as neat as possible. Add your through.
Oh! Power button. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm so excited about these colors. What the heck? I just want to say shout out to my husband and my family for all the support. For those of you who want to do something, just follow your... Just kidding, I'm being dramatic. It's working! Are you proud of me?
I'm so very proud of you.
Wow, thank you. Couldn't have done it without you. Ouch. All right, the time is almost 11:30 and I finally got Windows on here. It took a while to get it done. But guys, ladies, we finished and I'm proud of myself.